Garbage disposal isn't working? Don't do anything like call the repairman until you try these 2 steps. Let's go. You turn your garbage disposal on and nothing happens, or you hear a slight hum. In some cases, water doesn't drain. You'll need a hex wrench. This one is specific to garbage disposals. See, it says food waste disposer. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get this one. But this is a standard hex wrench. You'll just need the right size. Here's my disposal, and underneath there's a red reset button right there. Press it. Next, see that little hole? That's where the hex wrench goes. Now stick it in and start moving the wrench back and forth several times until it starts moving smoothly. One of the most common problems is that over time, these get seized and trip the red button. They just need a little help being freed back up again. Now turn on your garbage disposal. If it turns on and was clogged, the water should clear. If not, you need your drain snaked. That's another video. If you hear the motor turning, you're good to go, and this problem is down the drain. I hope this saved you. Don't forget to clean your drain and subscribe.